Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today. Not only did the price react very nicely, but you can see down here, biggest volume this chart has had in a while. So good day on all fronts. Let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right there at $2.40. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above that point, that would certainly be a great sign of strength on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down there at that consolidation point of $2.17. So near term, $2.40, $2.17. But taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the famous 50-period simple moving average, which is being denoted by that purple line. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, assuming that you care about the big picture and are saying, Clay, just give me a way to gauge the health, to gauge the strength of the current overall price movement. The easiest way to look at that is simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself continues to move upwards, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, so it'll get harder to see, but this is always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history, because, yeah, the price has not been up this high for a while. So next key overall area of resistance, right up here at $2.60. And I realize it's hard to see, but if you look closely, you can see that the level was rejected right there and then was also rejected right there. So there are clearly some sellers sitting up there around $2.60, but that'll be public enemy number one. At the end of the day, though, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, which it's been doing a great job of over time, then the long-term chart will keep on taking care of itself. So very nice movement today. We'll see if the bulls can keep on building upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.